We'll try to understand the drawbacks using this example. Let us say our requirement is to install the below services and applications like Active Directory, DNS server, DHCP server, web server, email server, SQL server, and SAP. So what we will do, we will take one physical server. On the top of this physical server, you will install any server operating system. In this example, we have installed Windows Server 2022 operating system. On the top of this operating system, we will install the services and applications like Active Directory, DNS server, DHCP server, web server, email server, and SQL server. So the multiple services are installed on one server. So we can install multiple services on one server, and these services are accessed by the user. So imagine you have multiple users in your network. These users will access these services via operating system. Now let us see the drawbacks of installing the multiple services on one server. The first drawback is if the operating system gets corrupted. Okay, let us say this operating system gets corrupted. All the services are not available to the user because all the services are installed on this operating system and this operating system is not available. So services also are not available. This is the first drawback. The second drawback is it will slow down the operating system. We are using only one operating system here. This operating system is serving the multiple users and we have installed multiple services on this operating system. So this operating system is having so much of load here. Okay, so it will slow down the operating system and we can't install the services like SAP, SCOM, Oracle on Active Directory. So whenever we install Active Directory on any server, it will not allow the other services to be installed like SAP, SCOM, Oracle, etc. This is the third drawback of installing the multiple services on one server.